Good morning, dear students. Today we're going to study how to write by a sketch. By a sketch, as the name suggests, is a short biographical description. That's a short biographical description. Well, guys, it can take in the account of a person's physical appearance, work, nature, habits, and other salient personal characteristics and other salient personal characteristics. So, in a biosketch, there can be physical appearance, the description of physical appearance, the description of work, the description of nature, the description of habits, and you can describe other salient personal characteristics. Clear, guys? Biosketch, a person's personal sketch, or the sketch of a person's personality. Clear? Or the description of a person's personality. It is a description of a person's personality. In your exam, you would be asked to write a biosketch of a person. The person can be an eminent person whom you know, or he can be a person you do not know, but has some unique qualities, or has done something remarkable in his life. And you have to write the biosketch. You have to describe that person's personality, or the profile, or the characteristics of his personality. And in the question, you'd be given some clues, and you have to write the description, or you have to write the biosketch on the basis of the clues. For example, you can be asked to write the biosketch of the Prime Minister of India. So I'll write the clues for you, and I'll also write the biosketch on the basis of those clues. Right here, write the biosketch of the PM of India. Clues. First one, PM of India. Manmohan Singh. Second one, eminent leader and economist. Eminent leader and economist. The third one, honest, hardworking and humble. These clues would be given in the exam itself, in the question paper. You have to write the biosketch on the basis of them. Frame your own sentences, and you can. The fourth clue here is, well, different from other leaders. From other leaders. No desire for name, fame, etc. And the fifth clue is service to the nation, only mission. Service to the nation, only mission. And the sixth clue, or the final clue, is expectations from him. Means what India expects of him, or what we guys expect of him. So these are the clues, guys, and on the basis of them, anyone in the world can write a biosketch because everything is given there. You don't have to add. If you know something, you can if you want. That depends on you. But the important thing is, please do not use the same words that have been used in these clues. Use the synonyms. Say the same thing in a different way. Use your own language. So let me write do's and don'ts here, just in short for you. Do's and don'ts. Do's and don'ts. Use your own language. Don't repeat the same words. Use synonyms. Say the thing. You say the things in your own style. Don't repeat the same idea in different words. It should be impersonal. It should be objective. That is impersonal. Put the things in right order. Effective vocabulary is always an advantage. Let me repeat myself for you guys. Do's and don'ts. First of all, use your own language. Do not use the language of the clues. Don't repeat the same words that are there in the clues. Use synonyms. Okay guys? Say the things in your own style. The style should be yours. You make your own sentences. You use your own words. You say the thing in your own style without changing the idea. Don't repeat the same idea in different words. The idea has to be same. In fact, it has to be factual. Clear? Biosketch has to be factual. It should be objective, that is impersonal. You don't write about I met him or I met the Prime Minister or he didn't behave well with me or he behaved well with me. No. Nothing about you. You have to make it objective, not subjective. It is objective, means impersonal. Put the things in right order. Clear guys? And then effective vocabulary is always an advantage. Use effective vocabulary. Another thing is it should be factual. It should be realistic. Clear? For example, our Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh is an economist. You cannot say he's a doctor. It has to be realistic. It has to be factual. Clear? So, we have the clues and I have taught you the rules. What things you should take care of while writing a biosketch. Now, let me write the biosketch for you. Clear? Well, it is always good to write the biosketch in a box. I make a box here for you. So, biosketch of Dr. Manmohan Singh. I put the title here. This is the title. Now I write the biosketch, beginning it like this. Dr. Manmohan Singh is one of the unequaled PMs of India. Yes, Dr. Manmohan Singh is one of the unequaled PMs of India. He is a noted leader and a celebrated economist. Celebrated means famous again. Who has given a new direction to the economy of our country? Who has given a new direction to the economy of our country? So guys, Dr. Manmohan Singh is one of the unequaled PMs of India. He is a noted leader and a celebrated. Celebrated means famous. He is a famous economist who has given a new direction to the economy of our country. Then let me tell you some characteristics of this man, or of this gentleman. He is a man of integrity. He is the very embodiment of industry and humility. He is the very embodiment of industry and humility. Industry means hard work and humility means humbleness. So he is highly industrious, he is highly hardworking, and he is highly humble. He is very hardworking and he is humble. Clear? He is the very embodiment, the very ideal of industry and humility. Clear? He is an immeasurably industrious and humble man. Clear? He has no desire for name, fame and riches. He has no desire for name, fame and riches. His only aim is to make India a developed country. Clear, guys? His aim is to make India a developed country. He doesn't want name, he doesn't want fame, he doesn't want riches. He is an impeccable and spotless personality. He is an impeccable. Impeccable means, spotless or faultless or flawless. He is an impeccable and spotless. So impeccable means flawless or faultless. He is an impeccable means faultless and spotless personality. All the Indians hold him in high regard. In high regard. Now, may he live long to take our country to greater heights. To take our country to greater heights. So guys, it was the bio sketch of Dr. Manmohan Singh, and it is pretty easy. I mean, there's nothing difficult. Let me just read it out for you and explain it to you very fast. So, Dr. Manmohan Singh is one of the unequaled PMs of India. He is a noted leader and a celebrated economist. Celebrated means famous, who has given a new direction to the country, to the economy of our country. He is a man of integrity. Integrity means an honest person, a highly honest person. He is the very embodiment of industry. He is a hardworking man. Industry means hard work. Embodiment means he is the very ideal of hard work, and humility means humbleness. And then he has no desire for name, fame and riches. His only aim is to make India a developed country. He is an impeccable. Impeccable means flawless or faultless. He is a faultless and a spotless personality. All the Indians hold him in high regard, in high respect. May he live, we wish, may he live long to take our country to greater heights. We're grateful to this man. So did you get this, guys? Now you can write some bio sketches, and as you write, you'll learn them, because practice alone teaches you everything. Clear? Thank you very much.